Dave here from Dten at ISE 2020, and today we're introducing the Dten On. The Dten On is our 55-inch display, all-in-one Zoom room appliance. So everything you need, including the wall mount, is in the box and ready to go. Simply mount it on the wall, put in your Zoom room license, and you've got a Zoom room running. It looks just like this. Make sure everything's covered. The bar on the top carries a 4K camera and a 16 microphone array, giving us 22 meters of sound pickup across the room. So any size room is available for the On to cover. We have a built-in computer that's running a Dten custom operating system to run all our beautiful Zoom features. So complete whiteboard controls. If I want to run a whiteboard, I want to join a Zoom meeting, I simply hit the join button and away I go. So indeed, there we are in our meeting here. I'll add a little whiteboard feature for us. We can, of course, write on the whiteboard. Thanks to Zoom, they've added some really cool features in here so that from Zoom land, because I'm no good at drawing, I can't draw a circle to save my life or a square, it'll actually correct my drawing for me as part of the deal. Of course, if you don't like white, we can also do it on a blackboard if that's better for you. But those are some of the wonderful features that come with a Zoom solution. So here we have a complete Zoom room solution packaged up all as one with the Dten On 55-inch. We will also have a 75-inch version coming shortly. So the Dten On 55-inch, everything you need to run an entire Zoom room in the box. List price $29.99 US dealer as well as Euro price. For more information on all the Dten products, but specifically the Dten On, go to www.dten.com.